What's going on, everyone? My name's Tyler with Rayco 3.0. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Hazard4 storage headliners. These things go for about $200 on Amazon. There's a link below that you can check them out on. Its average rating is 3.3, unfortunately, on the website, but the majority of those reviews tend to be based around the adhesive, the 3M adhesive that comes with the Velcro, and there's a few things I'll point out on that in a second. If you scroll through Amazon and look at their store, they have a lot of other good products. Most of their average rating of their bags and whatnot, and the actual build quality of their equipment, averages around 4.5 to 5 stars. So it means it's a really good product. Their product is definitely one of the top tier competitors in the kind of tactical bags and luggage, stuff like that. They're definitely in the top, I would say top 3 of those companies. So one of the things I want to point out with this equipment is that first of all, let's talk about the mounting and stability. That's kind of the main concern that people show on the reviews that I see on Amazon. So a lot of that has to do with the adhesive that's actually holding the Velcro. So these are Velcro. They're made to be removed and taken out here. The Velcro is extremely strong, so I think that's half of the complaint. There's a adhesive backing on the Velcro, and the Velcro is so strong that if you don't let it cure properly, or if it's not cured in the right temperatures, it seems like it's pulling off. Mine, it was probably roughly 40 degrees whenever I put these on, so I had the same problem originally, and I took a heat gun and ran it over the adhesive and got it just, nothing crazy, maybe around 80 degrees, and the same on the roof of the Jeep itself, and before I applied them. So that seemed to make a pretty big difference, and I'm able to take those off now. And in addition to that, so if that does fail, you do have these different mounting points that are held on to the where you remove the top at. And so if that was to fail, you're going down the road, it's not going to hit you in the head. You may sag a little bit, but it's not going to do anything crazy. So there's a lot of capabilities with these, and there's a lot of opportunity to put weight in them. You have several mounting options once you get into them. You can on the inside there's MOLLE on the back side here, and then up top there's also several pouches, and they have different holsters, phone cases. You can store our radios. There's a lot of opportunity to use these for pretty much any MOLLE devices or MOLLE pouches or storage devices are usable with these. Hazard4 does have their own MOLLE mounting, have their own MOLLE pouches and whatnot. You can go to their store on Amazon. Once again, just click the link that's below and go to the store of Hazard4, and you'll see that they have an accessories section that has a lot of their high quality stuff. Those range from $20 to $50, so nothing crazy. Of course, there are cheaper options available, but I personally choose to go to the quality, kind of the proven route, than testing my luck with a lot of equipment that's not known or already been tried and tested. So overall, these things are really good. These are known for and I've seen several reviews that do comment on this and confirm this. They do have some insulation properties. So basically, there's a lot of different kind of liners you can put on your roof in a Jeep to help insulate it, especially in the heat. And it's usually quite a tedious process. These were really easy. These take probably 15 to 20 minutes to install, and that's even with using a heat gun, which I do recommend just first time out of the box, unless it's blazing hot outside, to go ahead and heat that adhesive up. And then secondly, I recommend to not mount your storage bag immediately. Let it sit for 24 hours and cure. Overall, I'm really impressed with these. As easy as put on here to get insulation properties, sound deadening, and storage. $200 really isn't crazy. If you're into any kind of overlanding or outdoors, your storage capacity is of the essence. So we always seem to maximize all of our opportunities for storage. and this is just another layer of that's an excellent option. So far, these things are really well built, and I'll be buying a lot more of Hazard4 equipment and hopefully shooting some more reviews out here. Thank you, guys.